Hi everyone, this is Jason. Welcome back to the show. In today's episode, we're going to have a look at the new decentralized exchange MATCHA by the team at DEX. I recently wrote an article for Decrypt on the exchange, which I'll link in the description below. Stay tuned.
Dragon Wolf Tech.
When you first go to the MATCHA website, you're going to be asked to connect either a new wallet or a wallet you already have. For the purpose of this video, we're going to be using the Bitski wallet. So create a new wallet, and it defaults to Bitski. So what you're going to want to do is enter your email address and passwords and a telephone number for two-factor authentication. And after you've confirmed, you get directed to the MATCHA website. If you go to your account, you'll be able to see the connected Bitski, or the wallet you connected, and the current balance in your wallet. So for this demonstration, we're going to be using Ethereum to trade for another currency. So on the main page of the MATCHA website, you'll see the options that you can trade. There's actually quite a few. Scroll down a bit and then hit where it says explore more, and then it'll open up to show you the rest of the available options. From Ethereum to ZRX to USDC to BAT to Engine to TUSD. There's quite a few options actually. Moving on to the trading. So we selected ZRX for our trade, and it shows you the 24-hour, 1 week, and 1 month. It also gives you a overview of the particular asset as well as its total supply, 24-hour volume, and market cap. So we're going to select Ethereum because that's what we have in our wallet. And now as far as the type of trade you can do, it defaults to market order, but you can do limit order on some of these. So it depends on which one you're trying to do. We're going to just do market order so you can just see what it looks like. And we're going to select max Ethereum. So it shows you how much Ethereum I had in my wallet and how much ZRX I'm going to receive. Below that, you'll see the rate of exchange and also the estimated fees, which if you click the arrow pointing down, you'll see the fees broken down. Okay, you click buy now. It's confirming in wallet, and it just wants you to click submit transaction. It shows you the transaction fees, the totals, where it's coming from, and the current balance. Click submit, and it gives you a countdown as to how long it'll take before it's done. Once you see success, you'll then see the order history pop up, and you'll see that it does show filled. So let's go back to the account page, and you'll see the actual portfolio that you have, which is what was ever left from the original asset you transferred in and what you traded it for. So right now what I want to do is look at the wrapped Ethereum, wrapped BTC. Each one has a link to a website that gives you more information on what it is and how it works. We're going to go over to weth.io, which is the website that gives you the background and history of what WETH is and how it relates to Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. So that's basically it for this demonstration. As you can see, MATCHA is fairly easy to use. It took less than 5 minutes to give a step-by-step on what you're going to do. Once you have all your trades and orders filled, you can transfer it out of your Bitski wallet. Now, keep in mind, what you're seeing in the funds is coming from your wallet, not from the exchange. So keep that in mind when you're looking at exchanges. The less custodial, the better, especially when you consider cybersecurity and hacks. So that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you will give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. We have more tutorials coming soon. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Dragon Wolf Tech.